Indefinite articles, and an. And an signal that the noun it modifies is indefinite. The noun it modifies is not specific. It can be any member of a group of nouns. For example, Zach would like a toy for his birthday. The word refers to any toy. We don't know which toy. We only know that Zach wants a toy. I really need a new pair of shoes. This means that I need shoes. I have not specified a particular pair of shoes. Could you get me an apple from the refrigerator? I am asking for any apple from the refrigerator, as long as it is an apple. There are probably several apples in the refrigerator, but I am not specifying a particular apple from the refrigerator. Generally, the rule for indefinite articles is to use a before consonants and an before vowels. In actual practice, we use how the first syllable of the word is pronounced and not how it is spelled. Is used in front of a singular noun that has a consonant sound in the beginning. It is important to pay attention to the consonant sound and not the spelling. Plus singular noun beginning with a consonant. A car, a dog, a tiger, a shoe. Plus a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. A user, a you, a university, a one-time thing. Now let's look at the word user. User actually has a Y sound in the beginning. User. User begins with the consonant sound Y. Let's take a look at the word one. One. One has a W sound in the beginning. One begins with the W sound. An is used in front of a singular noun that has a vowel sound in the beginning. It is important to pay attention to the vowel sound and not the spelling of the word. An plus singular noun beginning with a vowel. An apple, an elephant, an orange, an umbrella. An plus singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. An hour, an honor. In the word hour, the H is silent, so the beginning sound of the word hour is a vowel sound. Hour begins with a silent H, so the beginning of the sound is a vowel sound. A or an are used to refer to an indefinite noun that is single. I saw a dog jumping. He ate an apple. We would not say, I saw a dog's jumping. He ate an apples. A or an is not used with an uncountable or mass noun. Uncountable nouns like water, sand, rice, etc. are not singular, and therefore we do not use the a or an. I saw sand. We would not say, I saw a sand. Indefinite articles with abbreviations or acronyms. Abbreviations and acronyms are shortened forms of words or phrases. Abbreviations are usually a shortened form of a word, like MR for Mr. Acronyms are usually created by taking the first letter of a series of words, like NASA, for National Aeronautics Space Agency. Generally, the rule for indefinite articles is to use a before consonants and an before vowels. In practice, we actually use how the acronym or abbreviation is pronounced, not how it is spelled. A is used before abbreviations or acronyms with a consonant sound. It is difficult to become a NASA scientist. I want to be a scuba diver. We saw a UFO in the night sky. If you notice, UFO is pronounced with a Y sound, a consonant sound in the beginning. UFO. They signed a UN treaty. UN also starts with the consonant Y sound. UN. An is used before abbreviations or acronyms with a vowel sound. We saw an LAPD officer. Notice we're saying the actual letter name, so it is pronounced LAPD. Therefore, we're using the word an. I took an SAT for my college entrance exam. Again, it's pronounced S with an E or vowel sound in the beginning. She took an ESL class at the local high school. They attended an AA meeting on Wednesday. So remember, it is not the spelling that determines if we use a or an. It is the beginning sound that determines whether to use a or an. We use a in front of singular indefinite nouns that begin with a consonant sound. We use an in front of singular indefinite nouns that begin with a vowel sound. We use a for acronyms or abbreviations that begin with a consonant sound. We use an for acronyms or abbreviations that begin with a vowel sound. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe and hit that notification bell now. Please like, share, and comment on this video. See you in the next video.